create a sales order with a reference to quotation. After the customer accepted the follow-on quotation, a customer order is created based on the negotiated quotation, including a billing plan for a down payment. Finally, the order confirmation is printed and can be sent to the customer. This process steps show you how to create a sales order with reference to quotation. If you enable BOM explosion number functionality, you can specify the BOM explosion number in the sales order. And this BOM explosion number is copied to the subsequently generated receipt element. So log on to the SAP Fiori Launchpad as an internal sales representative. So I show you the quotation that I created previously. Okay, that number 200018. So go back. So I called manage sales order. Manage sales order version 2. The manage sales order screen display. On the create sales document screen, choose create with reference. From sales quotation. Okay, which kind of sales order type? Standard order and sales quotation. Okay. I click on continue. So make the following entries and choose create with reference order type. And the reference. The create standard order overview screen display. Make the following entries and press enter. Your customer reference, the customer reference date, and the requested delivery date. Okay. Requested delivery date. It's good one. Document date. Okay. Show detail. Advanced data. Show more. You can see all the information. Okay, pricing date. Okay, billing date. Okay, it's good. I go to the item. I would like to define right now the billing plan. So I select line and billing plan. You can see the information. So I go to the detail of my item. Make the first entries for the down payment. So I go to delivery, schedule line. So I display all the information. Okay, I click on apply, the price before to create the billing plan. Okay, it's good. I click on create. Okay, my sales order is created. I click on edit. Either price at either level. Item, partner, price, text, statute, process flow. I prefer to check all the information to start the creation of the billing plan. Delivery, and show you all the detail of my sales order. Okay, the price requested. So it's good. I show you that the number is console. Save. So my sales order is 1 of 5. Okay, I change my variant to display all my sales order. I want to see only the sales orders that I created today. Okay. Okay, I want to change. You can navigate to the WebKey or Fiori app. You recognize the WebKey. So you see that you are in the item category TUQ, pricing at either level, but you have also pricing either milestone BP. So I will show you the difference between both. So when you are in the TAQ, you don't have the information to add the billing plan. So if you navigate, you can go inside the header. That means in the TAQ, when you are in the milestone, you can have this information in the item. In this case, you are in the TAQ, and in the Fiori apps, if you want to have this information, you need to use CPQ. But when you are on the WebKey, for that you go to the header. The billing plan is applied of all the item. So let's start to define the billing plan. Billing date, the first step is today. Okay. I choose then that description, down payment. I define the document category, that is in percent. For example, I defined when you are start execution and 30%. Okay. You see that automatically the billing type is face. Then I make the second entry with the filling into the data, the billing date today plus 1 month. Okay, 1 month later, for example, in March. Okay, that would be that at the final event, or I can define, for example, 3 steps. And the next step is the delivery. Start execution. Can define also again, for example, 10%. And at the end, few days later, the closing. Example, final invoice. Closing automatically. So if I go right now, I unlock the block if I want to create an invoice, a done payment. So I go to the detailed. Okay, my condition. Okay, everything is good. All the time I prefer to show you all the detail about conditioned. I've got all the detail. So everything is good. You can save and print. Okay. I save. Okay, my sales order is created. So I go back to the detail. So you see the billing plan. If I click on edit, you have all the information about the billing plan. You can adapt it if you want, for example, to change. You have all the detail. Quotation, order processing, and see the detail of the output item. If I want to display, open file, you see the information. Okay, I show you how to edit a billing plan with the WebKey. I will show you right now how to do it directly in Fiori. Okay, I save. I go back. Again, I create with reference to sales quotation. I proceed again. OR. I go in and select my second sales quotation. So customer reference, PGE, billing plan. As you can see, I just click on Enable Billing Plan. You display the billing plan, and right now you are able to add the information about the billing plan. So it's A's. In this case, you click on Create. Okay, and step by step, okay, the billing date, date category, create. Okay, it's exactly the same things. For example, a 30%. I click on create to add the second step. This time is different. So at the end of the month, date category, closing invoice, create. Okay. And I create. So it's very simple. I show you the both case how to manage a billing plan with the WebKey and to manage a billing plan with the Fiori, and how to create a sales order with a sales quotation. Thank you so much. So exactly the same thing. If you want to attach anything in sales order, you click on attachments. You can navigate to different app with Fiori. You can update price, you can create delivery. As you can see, it's very, very interesting to navigate into a Fiori app.